Hey guys, Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and I'm going to quickly show you in this tutorial how you can add an extra recipient, or you can change the recipients for people that have completed forms on the website. So when somebody goes to your website, they fill in a form, that information will then get sent through as a notification to a recipient or a number of recipients via email. And I'm going to show you how you can access those records. So first of all, I'm just going to reduce this quickly. And we jump into a form. Like so. And you can see here, if you navigate over settings, there's confirmations, and then there is notifications. Now we want to click on notifications. And we're going to click edit. And you can see here, there's a number of settings. So this is currently set up to admin, obviously, because my email is the admin, so I want it to come to me. However, you can add as many, you could change this email. So it could be fred@fredblogs.com.au. You can only put one email in this field in the send to email. However, you can add as many as you like to the BCC field, and you separate that with a comma, and you can add as many as you want. So I could have this one, I could have so on and so forth, as many as I like. Importantly, when you do this, you need to go down to the bottom here and update the notification. If you don't update it, the record won't be set. So all you do is click that, and then you will have that coming to you. And some good practice as well, you'll notice here in the reply to section, if you click on the little side button here, you can actually put the email from the person that's filled in the form. So you can reply to them directly just by clicking reply in your inbox, and it will go back to them. That's quite a handy little tip. Apart from that, that's all. So hopefully you can navigate to your forms, obviously in the side panel here, choose the appropriate form, and update the record as you've just seen.